Now, the Mobile Security Framework is an open source framework. It's capable of performing end-to-end security testing of mobile apps. So let's go ahead and install MobSF into Kali. So go to Kali, open the web browser, search for MobSF. Now open the GitHub page of MobSF. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, so here we will perform static and dynamic analysis for Android. And this is the user interface of the framework. And of course, there's documentation here, so let's go ahead and open it. So in this left-hand menu, click on Requirements. And here are your requirements for Linux. So Kali already has Git and Python 3. Let's look at the versions. Open up the terminal screen. Okay, first switch user to root. Run git --version. Okay. And let's also look at Python 3. Great, so there's no problem. We just need to install OpenJDK. So we'll copy this part and paste it. Now this package is not the updated one, so let's look at the OpenJDK packages to see the latest version. So we'll run apt search OpenJDK. Yeah, so here there are 11, 13, 14th versions of OpenJDK. And I'll show you, I'll just install the latest version. Wait for that to finish. All right, so finally, let's copy these dependencies and run. Oops. I guess the package name was changed, so got to replace it with a new one. Okay, so I already have these dependencies, so let's continue with the installation. So first, I'll clone the repository. And wait for a bit. All right, so we've got the files. Change directory to MobSF. List the files. All right, so now let's run setup. So run setup.sh. Okay, installation complete. So let's run MobSF with run.sh. All right, so it's already started after installation. So when you want to open it later, you got to remember to run the run.sh file under its directory. So let's now go to this IP address and this port. Write it in the browser. All right, great. So it successfully installs. Now there are separate pages for Dynamic Analyzer and Static Analyzer. So when we start analysis, we will upload an APK from here.